Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to earn money from blogging. So here this is the traffic of my website. This is my earning. So we can write the articles and we can earn money from online. So you can see the RPM is very high. So when you are writing the blog, you are trying to targeting the people using hero countries like US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, that kind of a website, that kind of a country, the RPM is very high. So you will be able more dollars. So how to research the topic, the what is the trending topic and UK and USA and the European countries? Simply you can go to Google Trends. Here where you can find the trending topics. So the Explorer, you can find the trending topics. So you can go here and finding the traffic, which is here. I can going to find the topic here as United Kingdom. Past 20 months, what is the here the past 20 months, what is the search queries of United Kingdom? Okay, this is the here. This is the volume is good. So you can get this keyword, but that the most of the people are searching on that UK. Okay, the web search. Okay, so here this ChatGPT. These are AI tool. They are searching Gemini AI. Okay, so there's a term. Or these are the keywords. Okay, so these are the keywords the people are used to search. So these are the keywords you can get these keywords and get the Excel sheet and note of these keywords. Okay, so another one you can see here. This is all the categories. So you can this is pricing keyword. This is a top keyword, so that the news or that's a top keywords. Whether this is not so you can see the rising keywords. Okay, so these are here. You can see search topic. These are the topics they are searching. ChatGPT software, Donald Trump. So these are online chat. Okay, you can get the idea here. Artificial intelligence field of study. Okay, these are the people are searching on the YouTube. Okay, right. So another one is the US, United State. Here also you can find the keyword. The Labu. This is the very trending topic of UK, United States. Okay, so this topic you can get it and write the articles. You can bring your blog page into the Google first page. Okay, these are the best keywords. Okay, so not only this is not enough. You can go to that UK websites, where UK best websites. Okay, here also you can, there are what are the sites? Okay, UK, the BBC News. So these are the top website in UK news. So these are the sites you can and have you can get the ideas. Okay, the news. Okay, so the here that dog. This is maybe the Aina. This is the trending topic nowadays going on that United Kingdom. So these are the newses you can get and write the articles. So it should be, it might be rank your first page. So here this one also, here the online sign that you are watching the AI video. So here these are the some of the topics they are here. This open AI, they are right here. The ChatGPT also they are writing nowadays. So these are the, sometimes you can get this kind of, you just research this, what are the articles they are written. Okay, so here you can get the idea of it, what are the blogs they are writing. So those blogs, okay, so those blogs you can research the keyword and write and you can easily you can bring up uh, your articles in your Google first page. It's simple. Okay, so they can you can find it this website. Okay, this is the UK based websites. Okay, not only this, there are plenty of website uh, UK. Okay, you can get go to the UK websites and you can get the idea what are the traffic trending, those traffic, and that traffic you can get the keyword research and write your own writing rather than you are generating the AI. That is not good. Don't generate from the AI. Writing your own and upload it. Okay, you will be able to earn money online. Not you can't earn right away. It takes some time to earn money. Traffic to your organic traffic to your site. Thank you for watching.